Hi guys, this is Iron Daddy, the real housebound. I have a problem here today with my windshield sprayer because I think it's not functional because I think there's a problem in the hood. So let's pop it open and fix it. So I think this is the problem. As you can see, the hoses are split into two. You can see there's a hole there eaten by the rats. I think rats are coming inside the engine, inside this housing. So what I'm gonna do here is connect these two, and I think I have to find another thing to connect it. So I've got this hose already, and as you can see it's the same size, and connect it. So what I'm gonna do is cut this out. Also got this hose, so let's see. And oh yeah, okay, they're fitted inside, so I think they will be fitted, both fitted to this one there. Let's see. Oh there. Yeah, that's how it looks like. And it's connected. And the other one. it's already inserted, and so there, let's try it, and let's put water to the sprinkler tank here. By the way, I'm using a distilled water, so there won't be a calcium buildup in the hoses or inside the nozzles. So I recommend distilled water for the sprinkler. I'll be sealing it with the smallest ziplock here. Tighten with a ziplock. So I hope it won't come off. And the water sprinkler tank is filled. Let's see if it's working. There. Oh, then it's spraying. Oh yeah, and let's see the back side. And there, it's working. So that's how I fix it. Hope you learned something in my video. Hope you like it. So it's not only that you learn something from this video, but you also save money from calling the technicians to fix little things from your car, in your car, that you can do yourself. All you need are the materials and the skills. So if you're new to the channel, please share, like, and subscribe. And please hit the notification bell so you will be notified for my new videos. Thank you for watching.